Got a really cool project for you today. We're pulling the engine and transmission out of this. We're going to send the motor out and get the motor rebuilt. It's a 1976 Mg. Little tiny 4-cylinder deal in it. That's pretty sweet. Engine just kind of old and tired. So the choke doesn't work on this. It's another thing we have to deal with. The starter is also no good. Huh. This is fun. Huh. What do we do here? That's the old girl here. Now, there's the starter down there. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna go get a hammer. Why'd you break it? It gives us something more to do later. Yeah. Just a joking.
For fun. This light is very misleading.
It's underneath, so just be careful. Don't short it out.
Really small. So is he just rebuilding this because it's tired?
Yep. It's old. It leaks oil in multiple places. So yeah.
And he's got cash.
And he's got the cashola.
Do we know how much it is yet? Or I guess we gotta wait till
That is about $3-4 grand to do the whole thing. Pull it out, get the motor rebuilt, put it back in. Huh. It's not terrible.
Is that new gaskets and everything?
Mm-hmm.
You can still get gaskets for this?
Uh-huh. They're hard to find, but yeah, you can get them.
Crazy.
Going up.
So basically I'm just checking, confirming some leaks and stuff. We know the starter's got an issue internally. We might rebuild it when we get it out. All sorts of leaks going on. This is brutal. here. Yeah.
Oh,
There's nothing there. It's solid.
jeez.
Yeah.
Feels good.
Show everybody else. This is the BS we're dealing with. Those guys right there.
Yes.
Right there. Pain in the butt. That's an old cat.
Why do they have a cat? I don't know old people technology. Waiting for the YouTube haters. That kid's on the fucking game.
Well, people would actually have to watch the videos. I said people would actually have to watch the videos. I got like 75 on the Fairlane video I did and the first video for Master Mechanic.
Oh wow, you're basically famous. 75 people, that's like all of Keswick.
Yeah, it's a pretty big deal. I'm a big deal. I'm a pretty big deal. The shaft goes right through the middle of it, basically. There's a bolt underneath there that you can't actually touch because the shaft is in the way. I don't know how you're supposed to get it out. Okay, so that's it for day one of the MG teardown. Start back tomorrow, Tuesday morning. Maybe Tuesday morning, maybe Tuesday afternoon. We'll see how the day goes. Anyway, see you guys tomorrow. Round two, begin. So we're gonna pull the shifter assembly out, then we're gonna lift it up, disconnect the drive shaft, and go from there. Got it? Yep. So you want to put this back on? Run it in a couple grid.
pushing both ways.
Yeah, it does. Don't worry about it. Don't worry right now. Just for a second.
Okay, I'm leaving the nut here. On the fender.
Yeah. Thank you, boys! Alright, so we got the engine tranny out. Everything's buttoned up, zip tied, bunch of corded out of the way. We're gonna shove it outside and put it in the trailer out back. Engine's here on the floor. Separated the transmission, sitting here. So you'll see a refreshed and beautiful looking engine in probably 2 to 3 weeks. Until then, like and subscribe.